honor to introduce to you today Omoyele Sowore, the last man standing. The brain behind MNK October 20. The brain behind free Nnmadi Kanu Omoyele Sowore is a very courageous man, very courageous, very gutsy. Yes, he's a man of strength and conviction. Yes, and he's someone that is well known here to everybody and is a friend of all. Yes. Like Nnmadi Kanu, he stands for the downtrodden.
Holy, holy,
he stands for
holy. Nnmadi Kanu is another savior. Holy, 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 holy. Nnmadi Kanu is another savior.
Omoyele Sowore stands for justice. Yes. He stands strong in defense of the downtrodden. As far as we are concerned, right now, Nnmadi Kanu is a downtrodden. Because he's being detained illegally, he's being persecuted in a very passionate way, and at this juncture, having said all that, I'm going to hand over the microphone to the man of the moment. Ladies and gentlemen, please, Mazin Iche Igwe Sowore Omoyele.
Once again, I want to thank all of you for the great reception. My name is Nnmadi Omoyele Sowore. I'm still looking for the Igbo title that I will take. Okay. Yes. Our job here today is very simple. We have tolerated the detention of Nnmadi Kanu for too long. We are not going to stand, please. We are not going to stand by while one of us is put down perpetually by a system that encourages other people to do even criminal things and award them immediately. We are all aware that yesterday, 3 days ago, they were pardoning murderers in this country. Yes. They were pardoning the most notorious kidnapper. Yes. One of the most notorious kidnappers in Nigeria was pardoned day before yesterday. A woman who killed her husband, cold-blooded, was pardoned. Over 53 drug lords who are serving life in detention were pardoned. Yes. Or their sentences reduced. Let me make it very clear. We are not asking for pardon for Nnmadi Kanu. Yes! Because he has not committed I want to be very clear about that. That the conversation, the context of our conversation has nothing to do with pardon. No! We are asking the Nigerian government led by Bola Ahmed Tinubu to do the right thing. Yes! By granting Nnmadi Kanu total unconditional freedom. Not a single condition can be attached to it. It does not include even providing a surety anymore. Yes. It does not include visiting police station every Monday. It does not include come back and answer some other charges anymore. The reason I'm doing this is not politics. No. Thank you, my brother. You guys know that. God bless you. If I want to do politics, I want to join one of the bad parties. I am doing this because my conscience tells me it's the right thing to do. God bless And I have decided whatever it will take that on October 20th, I will lead all of you to Aso Rock Village. are here in this market today, but we are calling on all markets across Nigeria and the world of people of conscience to close down for mass. It's not too much to ask for. Whether you are in Lagos,
1 week in closer.
We have been closing markets every Monday anyway. Yes. We need one more Monday. Yes. It's not about closing down the market, it's about bringing Nnmadi back home. Yes. And we are not doing this because we are Igbo, Yoruba, or Hausa. We are doing it because we are the good people of the world, not even Nigeria. Yes. And this is what is done world over. In my books, I have said it, Nnmadi Kanu is the Mandela of his own people. You can keep him in detention for as long as you want, but you can never destroy the spirit of what he stands for.
Thank you very much.
Which is the liberation of his own people. Yes. I stand for the same thing, the liberation of humanity. Yes. And I get, as you guys know, I get into prison every day too. But I told them that there's no prison that can contain us. Even as I'm speaking now, I can guarantee you that even before the 20th, they can arrest me. Yes. Nobody will arrest me. Don't worry. You're wasting your time. Because if you arrest me and put me in any court, I will leave even those people who were in detention together to ask for. On that day, on that 20th, every jail was open in this country. All the innocent persons who have been suffering in this detention for just reasons. Because we don't only know the Kanu. There are a lot of Igbos. Because it's a crime to be Igbo in this country. They cannot like in a place they call Wawa Barracks. They have kept people there. Hundreds of Igbos. For just if your neighbor accuses you of being Igbo, they will carry you and go and deposit you where you can never be found. They don't even ask whether you are a member or not. But how is it even a crime to be a member of an organization that is seeking liberation for themselves? It's only in Nigeria and some banana republics that you get that.
Thank you.
So, as we are here, the world is listening to us.
Yes. So in Nigeria.
From Madagascar.
The current one.
That we are asking for Nnmadi Kanu to be freed on condition or before. Because you know we are helping them now. They can solve this problem before 20. They can solve it today. But we were just doing that to help them. On or before 20th, we are bringing him home no later than 20.
Thank you, sir.
So this public outing here today is aimed